Richard Coleman, be prepared to be bedazzled by this beauty. We do the big Mega Master here with a 1001 tools, and we also do the black version as well. Got the base, the mid and the top section, and every single drawer is full of gear. There's so much gear in here, it's hard to describe, but if we just start from the top, as you can see, you've got a whole selection of rivet guns, T-handles. Next one down, you've got spanners, inspection tools, more spanners. Third one down, you've got the hacksaws, tape measures, adjustables. Keep on going. There we go, we've got your cold chisels, impact wrench, and your little sliders there. Then we go on to the stubbies. You've got your pin spanners. These are interesting tools. Then you've got your combination spanners. Just keeps on coming, Richard. Just keeps on coming. You've got your heel bars there. Those lovely elbowed ring spanners. Then we're going to go on to the big sets here. I mean, what? I mean, that's just beautiful, right? Am I saying it? It is a stunner. You've got 1/4, 3/8 and 1/2 inch ratchets and sockets. Next one down again. Impact sockets, extremely handy. Those are hammer through screwdrivers. Absolute beasts. You've got a full set of Torx, full set of hex, even up to 19mm, may I say. Next one down, here we go. We've got your screwdrivers, we've got your Torx, we've got your little pliers there, we've got more screwdrivers with hex shafts, so you can use and abuse them. Next one down again, here we go, Circlip City. You've got combination pliers and the big circlip pliers, and then the smaller ones is there. Next one down again, there we go, it's VDE time. We've got VDE insulated screwdrivers and the full plier range. Cheeky little torque wrench at the back there and some crimps, and it just keeps on coming. I love this drawer. There you go, you got your puller, you've got your sub plugs, your nut splitters, and then a tap and die set. Everything extremely useful. Keeps on coming. There we go, you got your big lever bars, your big open enders, and then these little crowfoots there, beautiful, which fit onto this stunning little torque wrench there. Love that set. Okay, we're getting there. Then we've got welder's clamps. Yes, okay, everyone uses them. We've got a nice full set of nut screwdrivers there. And then second from last, another dream drawer. I mean, hello. You've got a full range of bi-hex sockets. You've got deep sockets there. You've got the Torx as well, and then the long arm Torx, and then some cheeky little Imperial combination spanners there. And then last but not least, right at the bottom for the big boys, the big old 3/4 inch wrench there. That is an animal. And then all the sockets to suit. Richard, she's a beauty. If you want to see any more of that in detail, Richard or anyone else, just let us know in the comments. We're more than happy to help.